Good evening. I'm very grateful to be with you people. I'm very, very decent. I cannot say how I feel to see you. I always see you on television, but this is a privilege to see you one-on-one. May God reward you for what you have been doing for the masses. May God reward you. Mommy, Daddy cannot do anything without your support. We really appreciate what you've been doing. May God continue to bless and reward you. I'm very happy today. I cannot express it. First of all, is there anybody here that is not created by God? My sisters here, are you not created by God? We have different ways of calling God. We have Allah, as the Muslims express their own God, Allah. Then we have the Christians called God. So please, I would like us to sing a song. You can call God in any way you feel, but we will call it Allah. We call our God Allah. So call your own God whatever, but God is God. God is one everywhere. So, unto thy Lord be thy glory, great thing he has done. Unto my God be thy glory, great thing he has done. Unto Allah, oh, great thing he has done. Unto Allah be thy glory, great thing he has done. So my presentation here this evening is about unity. Let us, as Star has given us all this privilege to speak one-on-one, to be with the Christians. We organized this in last time, but it's for students. For the Muslim students and Christian students to interact together, to know that they are created by Abraham. They are created by God and children of Abraham. If God wants everybody to be Christian, he can do it. If God wants everybody to be Muslim, he can do it. He knows why he made us Christians and Muslims in every community, in every state and country. So we cannot now start discriminating against ourselves. Please let us show love in our communities. Don't say this person is a Muslim, this person is a Christian, this person is a Kafir, this person is that. We are all created, we are all children of Abraham, created by God. Our daddy has joined us together today. When you see your neighbor in the house, no, I've not finished. 2 seconds. You've not reached 2 minutes now. Please, let us talk about love to our neighbors. Let us talk about unity and peace to our neighbors. Let us show support, kindness, the little way we can to our neighbors on the road. Even if somebody is surrounded, Muslim or Christian, show your support, show your care. Carry everybody along. Where there is unity, the country will be better. The Nigeria will be better. Let the change start in our house, in our neighborhood, so that even when we blame the government, we know we are doing our best. May Almighty Allah see us through. Thank you, Daddy, for everything. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.